Number 8, what's the volume? So the base is the pentagon, and there's 5 sides, so there'll be 5 of these triangles. So a 360-degree rotation divided by 5 is 72. This is 72 degrees. And when you cut 72 and a half, this is now 36 degrees. The side length is 8, so that piece right there is 4. So tangent of 36 degrees is the opposite side, 4 divided by the adjacent side, A. And therefore A is 4 divided by tangent of 36, which is approximately 5.50553. All right, so now we can find the area of this triangle, the whole triangle, which is 1/2 times base times height, and the base is 8, and the height is our A value. So the area of one of those triangles is approximately 22.022, and that's just one triangle out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we multiply this by 5, we'll have capital B, the area of our base, which is about 110.11 square centimeters. So for the volume, our formula is this. The volume of a prism is the area of its base times the height. And remember that the height of a prism is not this dimension. It's not the up and down. It's the distance between the front base and the back base, or the bottom base and the top base. But there are only 2 bases in a prism. In this case, it's the pentagons. And so the distance between them, 15, is the height. And therefore, our volume is about 1,651.7 cubic centimeters. I hope that helps.